Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Paprika Keto. Today we're gonna make a delicious cauliflower rice pudding. I will leave all the ingredients in the description below. Okay, to start with this recipe, we're gonna preheat our pan in a medium temperature. And then add 1 tablespoon of butter. We also need 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk. Later, we're gonna add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. A half cup of LAKANTO or sweetener of your choice. Mixed up and then add cinnamon. You can add any of these 2 types. In this recipe, I opt to use a half teaspoon of powdered cinnamon. Mix up and then add a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Once we add all these ingredients, let it boil for 10 or 15 minutes so all the ingredients complement each other. Okay guys, once this starts picking up, we're gonna add the cauliflower previously boiled and let it boil for another good 10 minutes or until it reaches the texture you like. For this recipe, I used 350 grams of cauliflower. I also previously boiled it for like 15 minutes. Now guys, that's how we have our delicious cauliflower rice pudding. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and remember, if you want to lose weight while eating delicious, subscribe to our channel. This is Paprika Keto. We will see you soon. Bye.